Hello to everyone who's joined us. I see that we have quite a lot of people here. You also can see that on the list. I have no idea why the team screen keep on jumping up, so I'm sorry about that. Welcome to our monthly webinar for our distributors. Today we're going to discuss about MoMa 2.0, our new application. But before we begin, I want to share a few updates with you. If you were on our webinar yesterday, then you are aware of that. But for those of you who don't know, or if you want a reminder, then I want to share with you two quick updates that we have. And I'm gonna keep on posting that and keep on sharing that with our operators as well throughout the webinars that we have. So as you can see here on the screen, first of all, we have a new webinar page. So in the past, we used to have dedicated webinars for specific audiences in specific country. And now as we are growing, as the demand keeps on rising, then we wanted to create something new for our operators. So we created a new webinar page that is up and live in our website. This page contains all of the webinars that we will have in the future for the operators. And please notice that I'm constantly uploading more and more information to that. I will keep it updated for at least 2 months in advance. So right now I'll go to that page and you can see that you have all of the webinars for June. We have one more on Tuesday. And if I'm scrolling down on this page for July, you can see that we have 2 webinars that are already set for July. Both of them are going to be on Monix. One is going to be more from the marketing side and one's going to be more from the technical side. And we have another webinar for consumer loyalty, turning one-time buyers into returning customers. At the end of this month, I will upload August webinars and so on and so on. So all of our webinars are going to be live in the website for our customers. We're going to keep on pushing the messaging for webinars on social media for our targeted audience. But it doesn't mean that we're stopping doing personal webinars. So that means that if you need for us to do a personal webinar for your audience or on a specific idea that you have, please contact us and we will do that. If it can be for more audiences and for more countries, then we'll put it on the website. And if not, then we'll do something that is directly for you. So that's the first message that I want to share with you. The second message, as you can see here on the slide, is that we have a new community. Our new community is a group on Facebook. Let me approve all the people that are coming. Great. Our community is a group on Facebook that we opened and it's brand new. And in this community, we're going to share a lot of information on NIAX and a lot of information with our operators. We want to create a healthy environment for our customers to share knowledge, to share experience, to gain more information. So you can go on Facebook. I'll keep the link on the presentation for you, and we will send it to you with the presentation, I believe later on today or on Sunday. So you will have all of that information as well. So these are the 2 updates that I wanted to share with you. And as I said, I will keep on telling this to our customers on the upcoming webinar, so they will know about this information as well. And if you have any questions on these 2 topics on the webinar page or on our community, then feel free to contact me. I hope that all of you have already my email. And if not, then eliranti@naix.com. Please share with me your thoughts on that. And without further ado, I want to pass on the virtual mic to Omri, which is here with me, which I'm sure that you have met him because he gave you a lecture on MoMa on Connect 3 months ago. And today he will talk about MoMa 2.0. One thing before we start, this session is recorded, as you know. I will upload it to the university and you will receive the recording and the presentation for this session. So I'm passing on the mic to Omri. Good luck and have fun today, everybody.
Hi, hello everyone. Sorry. So very nice to meet you all. My name is Omri and I'm MoMa product manager. And today I want to talk to you about MoMa and a little bit about the beta that we are launching next week. So let's start about what is it MoMa? What is it MoMa? So basically, I'm assume that all of you know what is our Nines back office DCS. So MoMa mobile management application is the extension to the DCS. How does it work? So MoMa have two modes, browsing mode and operation mode. And in the browsing mode, you can search machine, you can view a specific area, you can get alert and communication status. So if something wrong with your machine, you will be able to know it. And of course, to get some KPI about your machine and actually machine performance. And what about the operation mode? So if we will see the machine page, you will be able to manage tasks, to generate notes, to see machine inventory and generate inventory pick list, and of course to manage your machine settings. So why MoMa? It's so value to your customers, and what you can do with MoMa. Why actually MoMa help you? So MoMa help you to save money to your business. She do it with real-time control and smart notification. And the most important is to save operational time for the route driver, area manager, and technician. Those are the main users that can use MoMa. So if you look about the actor that can use MoMa, you can see the CEO that can find insight about the business from dashboard and analytics about MoMa, through the route driver that need to know what kind of product he needs to take to his next day. So this is the old MoMa. I'm sure that most of you know it. You heard about it, and maybe some of you use it. So we actually talked with some of you, with a lot of you, sorry, and with a lot of our customers, and then we built a new UX, and then we got the new MoMa. So take a sec to impress. This is our new MoMa, the MoMa 2.0. So if I will go deep to the feature, that what you can do with what actually you can do with MoMa. So you will able to search machine easily, to find it by name, by number, and it will do an autocomplete and will search the machine easily. You will be able to filter by different type of parameter. For example, if I will take if I will choose the communication filter, for example, so I will be able to choose which machine not communicated now, and I need to take care of them. And in case you're a technician and you're in front of the machine and you want to scan you want to locate your machine and find it easily, you need only to scan the machine, the QR code, and then it will take you directly to the machine. In case you don't have a sticker on the machine, you will be able, through the MoMa, to link a sticker. Map view. So we add a map view to MoMa. You will be able to see all your machine on the map. You will be able to see a bunch of machine in a specific area. And in case you want to zoom in, you will be able to see the specific machine, what type of the machine you were looking for, and the communication status. If you click on one of them, you will see all the data about the machine, and it will take you to the machine. If you are an operator with multiple area, so you will be able to locate a machine by hierarchy. So it means that in case you have machine in south area and you want to choose the south area and then specific location and specific route, you will be able to choose the route and see what's going on there and view all the information about this route. If I will go to the machine page, so you will be able to see alert, active alert about this machine. You will see stock level status per items, and if you will click on one of the item, you will see product details. You will be able to edit prices or edit everything on the product. And in case you don't want a specific product in the machine, you want to change it, you will be able to change from Fanta to Coca-Cola Diet or whatever you want. One of the most important feature in the machine is in MoMa is pick list. So you will be able to create pick list by multiple machine. You can choose the route driver, for example, can choose some machine that you need to visit next day. You will be able to select those machine and generate pick list. If we will see the pick list, you will be able to see machine by selection, by product, by type. For example, by selection, you will see the specific machine, what product you have in specific bin, and what quantity you need to take with you. In the product by product, you will see summarize of all the product that you need to take from your warehouse. For example, you need to take 24 Coca-Cola Zero and 1 carton. And by type, it's give you the opportunity to see a grouping. So it means that if your warehouse it's in a different location or different shelf, for example, so you will be able to see that I need to take drink from here and snacks from there. And of course, you can share the pick list with your teams in variety options. And in case something wrong and some of your product was broken on the way, so you will be able to adjust the pick list. You can change it and then do a fill pick list by the update pick list. In the setting tab, you will be able to change machine name. You will be able to change all kind of criteria. For example, machine type. You can change. You can change the machine model and etc. Of course, you can change in machine parameter. You will be able to change machine parameter. You will be able to do it together and send all the update together to the queue. Sorry. And in case you want to choose payment method to the machine, you will be able to choose what kind of payment method you will be accepted in those machines. So you can choose, you create a new one, and etc. And of course, business days. So if your machine located in a specific area that does not work on Sunday, for example, you will be able to change it. So what next? So actually, next week on Monday, some of your operators will get from us email invitation to download the beta version of MoMa. Why I'm telling you that? Because you can see that we have 287 operator overall that sign in to the beta, to the first step of the beta. You can see from all over the world we have a sign in. And why it's important? Because a lot of our information will get to you, and we need your collaboration and your input. So it means that if your operator will give you some insight and input about the MoMa, we want that you will share with us this information. It's important to us, it's essential to us to improve MoMa in the next few months. A little bit about question that I asked in the last few days and what will be in the next few months. So about the old MoMa, the operator will be able to use the old MoMa until we will launch the new MoMa, and until because we are still in the beta, they will be able to use the old MoMa. Where the operator can send their feedback. So all the feedback and your feedback about the beta, they will be able to send to MoMa@nayax.com. I will personally be the person that will see all the feedback, and I will take care of it and manage it to bring it to the next level. If my operator have not registered and want to join later, is it possible? Yes. We will increase the beta user in the coming weeks and months, and if they would like to join, please send the details to MoMa@nayax.com. And all the features that I talk about them already in the MoMa, most of them yes, but in the next few months we will add the rest of them and much more. So there is a lot of things on the pipeline. Thank you. Any question?